Whenever you see comma which construction, you have to be very careful about what which is referring to. It's referring to $1 billion here. So the meaning that comes out is that $1 billion it is hoped can be completed. It is not $1 billion that has to be completed. It is the restoration project that has to be completed. So answer choice A can be comfortably eliminated. Be very skeptical when you see this word hopefully. It is generally incorrect on the GMAT. GMAT will not test you purely on this concept, but it is very likely that these answer choices are going to be wrong. The problem that happens is that hopefully is an adverb, but its usage is such that it doesn't very well modify the verb it is supposed to modify. For example, in this case, it is supposed to modify completed, but modify is some distance away. But again, as I said, GMAT will not make you or expect you to eliminate an answer choice purely on the basis of the usage of hopefully, but these are small things which can help you eliminate answer choices if you are in doubt. So let's look at other problems anyway. Answer choice B has a tense issue. It uses simple past tense, hopefully completed in the year. It's supposed to complete in future, so you say something like to be completed, not completed. So B can be comfortably eliminated now. Answer choice C eliminates a term such as restoration rather than restoring here. What is to be completed is not clear, so C can also be comfortably eliminated. Look at answer choice D now. Restoring the cathedral, a project that can, it is hoped. See, it is hoped is better than hopefully. Although again, GMAT will not test you directly on that. This is a sign that this answer choice is better or this answer choice is better. So this is extra information anyway. A project that can be completed in early 2040s. So the meaning turns out a project that can be completed in early 2040s, and this project will cost approximately $1 billion. Looks perfectly alright. Let's look at answer choice E now. This has a slight funny twist in it. It is hoped that the project will be completed in early 2040s and cost. So it is sounding as if there is a hope that it will cost $1 billion. In case of answer choice D, because of some smart use of commas, this phrase it is hoped was referring to be completed by such and such time, and this was not modifying will cost. But here, because of this and usage, it is hoped is referring to both the parts. It is referring to the hope of being completed and the hope of costing that much. So E is also a wrong answer choice. D wins.